Hello and welcome. Welcome back to the Hobby Ranching YouTube channel. I should probably shave sometime. I look kind of terrible. But we're working today on the farm. Did several things this morning I didn't get recorded. It's been a while since I've posted a video. I've just been busy. So rain's coming. We've got pasture to brush hog. Tractor's been broke down. John Deere finally got it fixed. Ended up having to put a new computer in it. That wasn't cheap. Oh great, there's actually raindrops on the windshield right now. Great. I've got a 20-acre pasture up here that needs to be brush hogged, and I'd like to brush hog it before I take the tractor back to the farm. So that's where we're headed. We're going to go up here and see if we can't get something mowed, and hopefully it doesn't rain just yet. You see the raindrops on the windshield, and if you look at the sky, it's not looking too promising, but the weather app was saying 5 o'clock before the rain came, but it's 1 o'clock now. Who knows? We'll see. So I don't think I've introduced this yet to the channel, but this is our new 2021 M15 John Deere brush hog. We just got it this spring. We traded my grandma's old Land Pride off on it, and dad bought this. So it's 15 foot, it's M model. There's an E, M, and R being the commercial series. We got the M. This is a comparable machine to the Land Pride we had, which was honestly a good machine. We had it for about 20 years. We will probably have this machine for 20 years. So it's dirty, covered in grass, but when we get done with it this year, we'll clean it off and pressure wash it. But 7130 here, back up and running, so I'm told. I haven't run it since they've worked on it, so we'll see if we can't mow some pasture. We're going to be mowing just right across the road there. I think we're going to start with that first, and then I have a few more road ditches around here that I'd like to mow, but we're going to start with that pasture. All right, let's see. Well, so far so good. Almost forgot this is on the my setting for doing road ditches. Need to add this to it, so mow a little taller. Well, that's not a good sign. That's what it's been doing. $2,000 computer, and it's still doing it. Well, so far so good. The beeping quit, the alarm went off, and I'm still going. So the problem this thing had is there's multiple computers on this thing, and a couple of them were having a hard time, or for some reason weren't communicating together, so this thing would just default to neutral. And you couldn't get it to go forward or backwards. It would run, but it wouldn't move forward or backwards. And so they finally thought that it's an issue with the ECU, so they put a new one of those on. Well, so far it's running, but the alarm still went off again, so I'm a little nervous at how long this is going to keep running. We'll see. Cows are enjoying a nice, cool, breezy day. Still in under the tree. These girls are going to calve here in September. All we've got a good start on this. Mower's still going. You can see behind me I've got, I don't know, I've got probably a third of it mowed now. But the tractor's still running, so that's the important thing. The buzzer and the alarm's not been going off anymore, so I don't know. Problem is now almost a little gun shy. Don't know if it's just gonna quit on me. So I don't know. Keep going. Almost forgot to film an outro. So got done brush hogging. Unfortunately, the tractor is not fixed. It shifted into neutral and wouldn't go anywhere. I went and wiggled some wires. It worked. I drove it back to the landlord's, parked it in his shed. So John Deere will be getting a prompt call Monday morning. But I just finished unloading 50 square bales of crabgrass hay in the barn. Myself, for us, we'd like to keep some squares around for sick cows, calves, whatever in the barn. We just keep a few. The rest we sell. We got that done. There's no air movement in that barn, and I am soaked. And it's raining outside. So it's time to go home, take a shower, get cleaned up, get something to eat, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.